Hello everyone, welcome back to another easy and slow English speaking practice session. Today we're going to talk about something that happens every single day in our lives. Daily communication in English. Every word we say, every smile we share, and every small conversation we have builds connection, confidence, and fluency. So, let's imagine one full day together, from morning till night, and see how we can communicate in English naturally and confidently. It's early morning. The alarm rings, and I slowly open my eyes. I stretch my arms and say to myself, "Good morning." It's a brand new day. I look out the window and see the sun shining softly through the curtains. My mother calls from the kitchen. "Wake up. Breakfast is ready." I smile and reply, "Coming, Mom. Just give me a minute." When I go to the kitchen, she asks, "Did you sleep well?" I say, "Yes, I did. Thank you. How about you?" She replies, "I'm fine too. Don't forget your lunch before you leave." These are small, simple sentences, but they are real English communication we can use every day. Then, I meet my father and say, "Good morning, Dad. How are you today?" He says, "I'm good. Don't be late for work." I reply, "I'll try my best." Just like that, you're already practicing English from the very first hour of your day. As I get ready, I look in the mirror and say to myself, "Let's have a great day today." I pack my bag and check everything. Phone, keys, wallet. Okay, all set. While leaving the house, I say, "Bye. See you later." And my mom says, "Take care." Daily communication doesn't need to be complicated. Even simple sentences like, "I'm leaving now, have a nice day," or "See you soon," make you sound polite and fluent. When I reach my office, I greet my colleagues. "Good morning, everyone." One of them replies, "Good morning. How's it going?" I say, "I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?" He smiles and says, "All good." During a meeting, if I want to say something, I begin with, "Excuse me, may I add something?" If I don't understand, I say, "Could you please explain that again?" If I agree with someone, I say, "That's a good point." If I disagree politely, I say, "I see what you mean, but I have a different opinion." These phrases are part of our daily communication. They show respect, confidence, and clarity. When lunch break starts, I join my coworkers at the cafeteria. I say, "Hey, what are you eating today?" Someone says, "Just a sandwich." "What about you?" I reply, "I brought pasta from home. Want to try some?" We laugh and enjoy small talk. We might talk about the weather. "It's really hot today," or "looks like it might rain later." These short sentences are great for practicing English in real life. No grammar stress, just natural conversation. After work, I go for a short walk in the park. I meet an old neighbor and say, "Good evening. How are you doing?" She says, "I'm fine, thank you." "It's a beautiful evening, isn't it?" I reply, "Yes, it is. I love how peaceful it feels here." That's daily communication, connecting through kind words, smiles, and small talk. Every time you say, "Hello, thank you," or "Have a nice day," you're becoming more fluent in English. At night, I return home tired but happy. My family asks, "How was your day?" I reply, "It was busy but productive. I learned something new today." We sit together for dinner and talk about our day. I say, "The food smells amazing," and my mom smiles proudly. Before going to bed, I reflect on my day and talk to myself in English. I spoke English confidently today. I can see myself improving every day. I'm proud of my progress. This is also communication with yourself, the most important kind of all. Daily communication in English is not about using big words or perfect grammar. It's about connection, expressing yourself clearly, politely, and confidently. Every good morning, every thank you, every how are you makes you better at English. So, start speaking today with your family, your friends, your coworkers, or even yourself. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They are just part of learning. Remember, practice makes progress, and progress makes confidence. If you found this story helpful, don't stop here. Keep watching, keep repeating, and keep speaking. Every single day you speak English, you're one step closer to fluency. So repeat after me. I can speak English. I am learning every day. I am confident you're doing amazing. Keep it up. See you in the next video, and remember, speak slowly, speak confidently, and speak every day.